practice type of thing. So you can raise your hand and we can go one by one with your doubts.
Sir,
Yep.
can we discuss some example problems on base formula, sir?
Okay. See first. Okay, we will discuss. I think there is hand raise from Chandan Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chandan. Yeah, okay. After that, we will go with Rahul. Okay, Rahul.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, Chandan.
sir, I have a doubt on tutorial questions.
In week 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which tutorial?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, hello. Okay, till then we will go with the Akash. Yeah, Akash, you can ask.
Sir, practice assignment.
Please, sorry, 1 second. Which question?
Sir, there is a question, a dice thrown thrice.
Okay. Not in this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Not again, it's not. One second. Yeah, this one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose a dice is thrown thrice. What is the probability of getting sum to be even given the number on the first dice odd? Okay.
Sir, what I'm trying to do is
Hmm.
the total number of cases will be 216, 6 cube.
Sorry? 2
Means
1?
216, 6 cube.
Okay.
And there will be two cases. If first is odd, then second even, third odd. Or if first is odd, second odd, and third is even.
No. See, you have to consider only first is odd. You are given in the question.
No, means there will be two cases. When first is odd, even number will be formed when second is even or third is odd, or second is odd or third is even.
See, dice is thrown thrice, okay, and first die is odd, okay. So, see, it's given that let any event even like number on, suppose suppose odd on first die, okay.
Yes, sir. It is fixed.
Okay, it is fixed.
Yeah.
A2
Would
let's
be
odd
odd
on
or even.
second die, okay. For example, I'm taking as A2, okay,
And
and
A3 will be even.
A3
Should
will
be
be
even. Should be even. Yes.
on third die,
Third
right?
die.
For getting sum
Even
to be
number.
even, okay.
Yes.
Till this point, it's clear, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
see, you have to find probability that
Sir,
even that
there
means
will also be a one case also. Another, matlab, A2 will be get even number and A3 will
Yeah,
get
yeah,
odd.
yeah, yeah. That means A2 complement and A3 complement, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the case. Okay. See,
Hmm.
see, you have to find probability given A1. I mean, odd on the first die.
Hmm.
Okay. So you will have 1 second. Sum to be even.
Ah.
1 second. I say rest of people can mute also.
Nice. Nice.
Okay, see. So let me. So probability of getting a odd number on second die. Okay, what will be the probability of this?
1/2.
1/2. That means 3/6. Initially it was 3/6.
Hmm.
Okay. Similarly, probability of even on third die,
Again 1/2.
again 1/2. Or next case can be probability of even on second die,
1/2 and
will be again
1/2 both.
1/2. Probability odd on third die, which again will be 1/2.
1/2.
Okay, till this point is clear, right?
But sir, this this solution has been done in the portal also. But what I am trying to do is first I just select it and then divide it by the whole number of samples.
See, you are doing like that 6 into 6 into 6. Okay.
Yes. This will be the whole sample space.
Okay, see, whole sample is there.
And
Okay.
the upper will be, I get 3 into 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 into 3
3 into 3 into 3.
plus
Why this 3?
odd, sir, odd number.
Odd number. Okay. So is there mention? Okay, see, any one can be odd. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this 3. Okay.
This 3 can be even first and this can be odd. Plus
Plus
3, 3, 3 again.
okay.
Means 3 will be odd and second means it will be interchanged second or third.
Okay.
And if we divide by 216, then I get 0.25, which is wrong answer.
Yeah. See, here you are not dealing with the condition.
But sir, this
Mhm.
it has been fulfilled, I think.
No. See, there is a mistake. 1 second. Let me. One second. You see, first time you got the concept of the solution
Yes, sir.
in PDF, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I think there is a mistake because condition is not. 1 second. In at the first die, probability of that means odd, and it can be even, and first die is odd, right?
Hmm.
No. See. This is the wrong one. Condition will be applied.
Why,
Okay.
sir?
See. Or it's given in the question. We have to consider even when your first die is odd,
Odd.
right?
Yes.
So you are given, see, for getting some even, okay, given odd, or second can case be like that. Okay. See, what is meaning of this?
The
Second
second.
and third die. Okay. In the previous one, you are doing the same things. You are adding 2 times, but try to understand what the things you are missing. See, here, suppose it's the E2 and E3. right?
Hmm.
Suppose E2 is for odd, E3 is for even.
Even.
Okay.
Hmm.
Again here E3 and no, E2 complement and E3 complement,
Yes, sir.
right? Even,
And
odd,
odd. Hmm.
okay, right? Or
Hmm.
yeah, that's it. So what will be this? This will be E2 intersection E3 intersection E1 divided by probability of even,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
It will be E2 complement and E3 complement and E1,
Yes, sir.
right?
Hmm.
Okay. So what will be the probability of this one? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2,
Hmm.
right? Divided by probability of even, that means 1 by 2, plus it will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Okay.
So this is similar process.
Yeah.
What the solution
This
has
is
been
the
given.
this will come again exact similar of that set.
So, but
I mean previous one.
I am trying to do in different
Yeah.
way,
But I think there is some cases you are missing. I have to think actually, because here it's on odd and even. Okay. Okay, but first is odd. 1 second. Hmm, 18. This 3 into 3 into 3, it will be 27, right?
yes, sir.
You are getting 0.25.
54 upon.
Yeah, you are getting
0.6.
0.25, but answer is 0.5, right? I think 1 second, 1 second. Odd, even. Okay, what's your name? Akash, right? Akash, I will check this one, okay? This procedure, okay? Hello?
Okay, no problem, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I will check and just remember me in the next session. I will check it and go. Okay, get back to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Oh, no worry about it. Yeah, next one is I think
Sir, I have
Chandan. Yeah,
another
Chandan.
problem.
Yeah.
Sir,
What is?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
where can we get the practice assignment solution, sir?
It's in feedback, right?
Yes, sir. When we submit this assignment, it will automatically show the solution also
Yeah.
on
When
the
you
same
see,
page.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank
you
you.
will get the solution.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Akash, what is your next
Sir,
one?
there is a question that males attached having probability 0.5 and women have 0.63.
In
Yes, sir. So
practice,
question number 5. Question number 5. You are saying it right now.
okay. What is out?
So I'm not able to doing it.
Okay, see, when you read your question, okay, just try to make the you can say events. Okay, see what is initially what is given, that 50% of men, okay, and 56.3% of women have attached left earlobes.
Earlobes.
So 50% of men have attached left ear lobes. That means you can make a event this 50. I mean,
Man and earlobes.
okay, men with left ear
Earlobes.
lobes. Then you can make
50%.
a event
Women with earlobes.
Okay, just
Yes,
try
sir.
to write what is given and what is not. Okay, see, you have made this to one, and
Yes,
again
sir.
you have consider a family with 3 children where the probability of each being a male or a female is equally likely. That means
1 by 2.
equally
1 by
likely
2.
means half of for male and half of for female, right? Okay.
Yes.
If the elder child is a girl with attached left earlobe. See, this is the your given condition. If the
Yes,
elder
sir.
child is a girl with attached left earlobe. So, see the question, it will be given. Okay. So, what is your event? Event is that elder child is left. Child is a female with
Attached
left
earlobes.
earlobes. So this one is given. Just write it in this quickly. It's a
Mhm.
given. Okay.
Mhm.
And again, what is B? You have to find. So the probability that the other two children are boys with attached left earlobes. Okay. So see,
Yes, sir.
you have to see in the question. Just make this as a event. This one till this point, it's a given, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And
Yes.
again, define a event which you have to
This
find.
will be another event.
I mean, another event. It will be B given A. Okay.
Mhm.
So your formula will be probability of A given B. That means probability of A, right?
Yes, yes.
And you know by the independent theorem, A intersection B is nothing but probability of A into probability of B.
Mhm.
So your probability of A will be cancelled out,
Yes, sir.
right? So what is B? What is your B? B is nothing but, if you see, other two children are male with left earlobes. Okay. So probability of B, see, what will be B given A? Means second child is a boy and child has left earlobe, right?
Mm.
And in the, it's right, you see, you have two child and third child is a boy and child has left earlobe, right? Have got it
Okay.
or
Okay.
not? See,
Okay.
what is B? Other two children are male.
Male.
Okay. And one children is considered in A. So remaining two children means second children and third children, right? So what is B? B is nothing but, see, your B is nothing but other two child has left earlobe, right? So how can you find this? That means other two child means second child and
Second
third
will
child.
be male and third will be male.
Okay. So second child will be male and second he has left earlobe. Okay. Or means plus probability third child and he has the left earlobe. And you are given this probability into this probability into plus this probability into this probability.
Sir, why it takes plus?
Because see, other two child means it can be second child or third child. Okay. Suppose this is nothing but, see, second child of boy. Okay. See, the question, I think there is three child, right? Yeah, there is three child. Okay. See, three children. One second. You have three children, right? But what is your B? B is other two child. It can be anyone. You can perform only these things, only these things on the second child, or this is nothing but or, that means union. Same things on the third child into he has the left earlobe.
Attached earlobe.
Attached earlobe. Okay. See, it's nothing but you can interpret. Suppose I am taking a second child as A2, okay, into he has left earlobe. You can left earlobe given A2, or third child into left earlobe given third child.
Sir, when will there will be multiplication sign?
See,
What will be the
multiplication.
question?
See, when your and is coming for
In this
general.
question. In this question.
Okay, in this question, what is this? B. What is your event B? B is nothing but
Other
the
two
two
children.
children are boys with the attached left earlobes. Okay. So this is nothing but law of total probability. Okay. See. So 1 second. You can write it. A2 means second child.
Second child, and B means
He has touched with the left earlobe. Okay, this can
Hmm.
happen, or this can happen, right? Then what can you write this one? This can you write probability of A2 into probability of B given A2, or probability of A3 into probability of B given A3, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, it's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, next one is Chandan has, I think,
Sir.
tutorial doubt.
Yes, sir. Tutorial 5, week 8.
What is the question? I think I have to. Okay. Oh, where is the doubt? Your doubt?
सर क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया सर, मतलब क्या
Okay. The probability that a new car battery functions for over 10,000 miles is 0.8. Probability it functions over 20,000 is 0.4. Probability it functions for over 30,000 is 0.1. If a new car battery is still working after 10,000 miles, okay, find the conditional probability that is total probability. Yeah, that's base theorem should be applied here. Base and conditional are. See, what is you can make as event A? What is this A? You can
Sir.
make it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Battery functions for greater than 10,000 miles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me go. See, you can make as battery works for greater than 10,000. Okay. And what
Yes,
is
sir.
B? Battery works for greater than 20,000. And what is C? Battery works for greater than 30,000. Okay. Right. And in the question, probability of work, functioning over 10,000 miles is 0.8, and 20,000 is 0.4, and for 30 is 0.1, 0.8, 0.4, 0.1. Okay. This probability is given 0.8, and this probability is given 0.4, and this probability is given 0.1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just read the line by line. Again, what is question? If a new car battery is still working after 10,000 miles, find the conditional probability that its total life will exceed 20,000 miles. See, in the question, it's given that these things is given. A new car battery is still working after 10,000 miles means your A is given, right? And you to find the total life will exceed 20,000 miles. What you have made? B is nothing but works for 20,000, right?
Yes,
Your
sir.
question. So it will be probability of B given A. That's it. Are you getting this?
No, sir.
No, not getting. See, what is A? What is given? Given new car battery is still working after 10,000 miles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the question, it's given that new car battery is still working for
After
more than 10,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is this? A,
Yes, sir.
right? And what is the question? Question is its total life will exceed 20,000 miles, right? Means its life exceed the 20,000 miles means B.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly, in the second one, see, same things is given, and
Sorry to
it's
interrupt you, Prashant. This
yeah.
question especially, it's easy to solve just by drawing a number line. I did it like that only. I just draw
You
a
see,
number
yeah,
line.
yeah, yeah.
And
Actually,
it's
actually,
very
see,
easy with the number line rather than this.
yeah. Actually, everyone has different approach. You can see.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
you
think that student is not clear still. He is unable to understand. Now that's what I'm telling you. By
no worry,
drawing
no
the
worry.
number line, it's very easy.
Okay, see, more than 10,000 battery works for A. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so more than 10,000 means till this point here. So your A will be there. Okay,
Yes.
and your B is working for more than 20,000. That means this. Okay, and your
Yes.
C is something which exceed this one 30,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Now events are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is your question? Your question is, it's given one second.
XC2.
Yeah, car battery is still working after 10,000 miles. Okay, let me draw it again. It's a 10, it's a 20, it's a 30. Okay, so your it's given that your car battery is still working more than 10,000. That means after these things is given. Okay,
Yes, sir.
your age given, right? And what is your question? Its total life will exceed 20,000 miles. So its total life will exceed 20,000 miles means you have to find this one. You are given this one and you have to find for this one. That means B.
Yes, sir.
Right? So you know the formula for the conditional. It will be B intersection A divided by nothing but probability of A. Have you got it or not?
Sir, got it.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you satisfied with this?
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you.
see here in the tutorial, Venn diagram is also by picture. It's also elaborated, so you can try it again.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Next one is I think Dikpal Singh.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
It's 8.33.
Activity, right?
Yes,
Okay, 1 second.
3. Third question.
One second. This one, right?
Yes.
So consider that you have a box with 5 blue marbles, 3 red marbles, and 4 yellow marbles. You are going to pull one marble and record its color. Put it back in the box and draw another marble. Okay, what is the probability of pulling out a blue marble followed by yellow marble? Okay. 5 blue, 3 red, and 4 yellow. Okay. Suppose this is a 5 blue, 3 red, and 4 yellow, right? Okay.
Yes.
Suppose this. Okay. And in the question it mentioned that we are going to pull out one marble, record its color, put it back in the box, means with replacement things, and draw another marble. Okay. What is the probability of pulling out a blue marble followed by a yellow marble? Okay. So you can define the event like first marble is yellow.
First marble is blue, na, sir?
It's see.
Okay.
Because second will I think it's followed by yellow.
Yes.
Okay. So second marble is blue. Okay. So you have to find what is the probability of pulling out a blue marble followed by yellow marble. Okay. That means You have to find probability of E1 and E2.
Yes, sir.
How can you write it as probability of E1 into
Probability
probability
of
of E2 given E1?
E2, E1, yes.
Okay. So probability of E1 is, what is E1? Is yellow. That means 4 divided by 5, 3, 8, 4, 12. By 12. Okay. And what will be E2?
E2 is 5 by 12.
By 12. So your answer will be 20 upon 144.
Yes, sir.
It's in the option or not? No. So you can see 4, 1, 3. Yeah. 5 upon 36 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C is the correct answer, right?
Okay, got it.
Okay. So
Sir,
got it?
Excuse me, sir. The
Yeah,
same activity, question number 2, sir. The same 8.3, question number 2.
Okay. Same question. Okay. Suppose you take 2 cards from a standard pack of 52, one after the other, without replacing. Okay. The first card. What if probably the first card is the ace of club and second card is a diamond. Okay. See, just what is, or sorry. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
See,
Ah,
try to please rest of people can mute. See, first try to make what is your given, and with the question you can make events. See, what is your question? First card is the ace of club and the second card is a diamond, right? So you
Yes.
can make as event E1. That means first card, okay,
Yes, of club.
is an ace of club,
Mm.
and E2 is second card is, I think, heart.
In a diamond.
No, diamond. Second card is a diamond. Okay. You people very well know how many diamonds are there in pack of 52 cards.
Diamond 13.
13, right?
Mhm.
And how many ace are there?
4.
4. 4 of total means four, one for club, one for spade, one for hearts, and one for diamond, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have to find the probability of first card is an ace and second card is a diamond. Okay, it's clear. You have to
Yes, sir,
find the
but
first card.
Ace
First card
of
is
club they mention is it, sir.
yeah. Ace of club and second card is diamond, right? You have to
Mhm.
calculate this one. Till this point, it's okay, right? So
Okay.
you can write it as probability of E1 into probability of E2 given E1. Okay. So what is probability of E1? Means first card is an ace of club, means it will be 1 by 52
Mhm.
because ace of club, not an ace. Suppose its question is only ace.
So
then it can-
I have doubt on whether need to choose ace of club 1 by 13 or
No.
4 by 52.
See, 1 by 52, 1 by 52, because
Okay.
you have to consider all the 52 cards.
Sir,
See,
even
what
I
is
have
what
selected
is
as 1 by 13, sir.
no. What is question? You are drawing 2 cards from a pack of 52 cards, right? Suppose there
So
is
the first
another.
event in ace of club they mention it in, sir. So I'm trying to
Yes,
get that.
no. That's the things. That's the things. That's why it
Okay,
will be 1 by
okay.
52.
So instead of 4 by 52, we have to choose exactly 1.
1 by 52. Yes. Okay. Out of, see, suppose you choose 1 by 30. Okay. For example. And how did you interpret this?
So I got confused in that point. So that's why.
Okay. So
Okay.
that is it. Okay. So it will be 13 by 51.
The second one. Okay.
Because
Second one
you
without
are-
replacing.
yeah,
Okay,
it's given that you have choose the first card. Okay.
Yes.
And you have in total 51 cards. So diamond is in total 13. So it will be 13 by 51. Okay. Suppose the question like only A's.
So at
Then
that
it
time
will
we
be
need to put 4 by 50.
4 by 52. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So next
Sir,
one is
8.2 second question, sir.
8.2. Okay.
Second question.
One second. Okay, n balls is draw in a drawer of which 7 are red. 2 balls are chosen randomly. Then the probability that both are red is 3 by 4. Okay. 7 are red. 2 balls are chosen randomly. Okay. See how many balls are in that drawer, and
Yes, sir.
7 are red.
Red.
Okay, so in how many ways you can choose the 2 balls out of total?
NC2.
Okay,
Yes.
and in how many ways you can choose 2 red ball?
7C2.
What is this?
Okay.
Okay, you can if you solve
Got
this,
it, sir, got it.
it will be, I think, 7 into 6. Yeah, 7 into, yeah, it will be 7 into 6. It will be n into n minus 1. Okay.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Or another way you can interpret as, suppose you have make event like even first ball is red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And E2 as second ball is red. Okay.
Yes.
So what will be the probability of both are red? Means E1 and E2.
Yes, sir.
Means probability of first is red. So it will be first is red out of n. You can choose any 7.
Yes, sir.
And you have choose the 1 ball. So remaining n minus out of n minus 1, you can choose the second red.
6.
Okay, that's it. The same.
Thank
Okay,
you.
and you can solve the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next one is Manan.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in this activity, I have also doubt in question number 4.
Okay, 2 dice are rolled. What is the conditional probability that at least one of the dice lands on 5, given that sum is 11? Okay. So let's try to make the events. What is given? One of the dice lands on 5. Okay. One event can be this one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So just try to make what is given. Okay. One die.
So they mention at least 1 dice. Sorry.
Okay. So let's at least 1 die. No worry about that. There are 2 die, right? Okay.
Yes.
And you can make the event their sum is 11. Okay. B, suppose their sum is 11, right? So you have to find, given that their sum is 11, okay, that means B, and given that A. Okay. So see, what will be this? This will be A and B divided by probability of B. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what is meaning of this? Meaning of this is, okay, at least 1 die lands on 5. Okay. At least 1 die on 5. Okay. Or sorry, and let me go with the next. 1 die on 5 and sum is 11. Okay. Probability of sum is 11. Right. So at least 1 die, what will be the common between this one? At least 1 die on 5 and sum is 11. What will be the cases here? 5,
5,6.
5, 6 and 6, 5.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. So, and sum will be 11. Okay. See, and in the both cases, these two things are common. Okay. Yes, sir. So what will be this one? This will be 2 by 36. Yes. And in how many way means, okay, you will get the sum 11. One is this two, 5, 6, 6, 5.
Yes, sir.
Again, it will be 2 by 36. Yes, sir. Probability is 1. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Answer is 1 or not?
One then. Yes, one only.
Yeah, answer is 1. Right. So it's clear, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, the third question, I thought the concept, I want to check whether my assumption is correct or not. The third
Third in this
question
one.
that, so
Huh?
the probability that the chord is an is given that the chord is an phase chord.
Okay.
So in that the intersection, there will be no intersection point. So the probability is 0.
Mhm.
Is it correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay.
Because face card is like, I think, king, queen,
King
and
and J.
J. Okay.
Yes.
Ace is nothing a face card. So there is no common between
But-
these two. Okay.
So that's why. Okay.
Okay. That's why its probability will be 0. You can interpret as like ace given that face card.
Yes.
Right. So your that means ace and
Intersection.
face card divided by probability of face card. So there is no anything common between these two. It will be 0 by probability of face card. That means 0.
Okay, 0.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's a good approach. Yeah.
Sir, in
Correct.
previous question, no?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, what I did it in question, it is given that only at least one die should be land on 5. So this is only one way, na? That's why is a probability.
No. At least one die on 5 means you can get on both also.
But sir, if suppose first die land on 5, then to considering the second condition, na, is 11. So second should be on 6, na?
No. See. Second is 6. Okay. At least one die on 5 means you can get the 5 on first die. Also, you can get this 5 on the second die. Okay.
Okay.
What is this? Tell me. What is meaning of x? So tell me. Suppose I'm saying at least 2. Okay.
Yes.
You can write it as probability x greater or equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I'm writing at least 1. That means x is greater or equal to 1.
Yes.
What is meaning that x equal to 1 and x equal to 2?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm considering the x equal to 1 as 5 on the first die. Okay. So what will be the probability of this? 1 by 36?
Sure.
For 11 only. Otherwise, you can get 5 for 5 also. 5.
Yes,
4.
sir. You get the sum of 11.
But
there is only 1.
1 by 36. Again,
Yep.
you can take it 1 by 36. Okay.
Got it, sir.
So next one is Biki Kumar.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Akash, your doubt has been cleared, right? Or do you have any doubt? I think he's not. Yeah, Biki, go ahead. Please.
Sir, in activity 1.8.1, question number 5, I got 0.28, but actually answer come to 0.3. So I want to know where I'm doing mistake.
Okay. No worry. Which question do you tell me?
Sir,
3 1 5.
5.
Okay. What is the conditional probability that person is a doctor given that a person has defaulted in loan? Okay. See, person is a doctor and given that person defaulted loan means you have to consider this yes part. Okay.
But sir, I consider only column that is 150 and 400.
Okay, so
I did-
what did you do?
Sir, actually, I did
Mhm.
150 divided by 550.
No. See.
I consider column.
No. That's the mistake. You are considering given doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
Person is a doctor and he is defaulted for loan.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, sir, I got it.
But
I have
things is
to consider
default. It's a given that
Okay.
defaulted in loan means you have to consider the yes things and in which you have to find the probability of doctor. So it will be
Yes, sir, I got
150. 150 divided by I think 500.
500.
Okay, got it?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, as Thayamal. Next one.
Sir, in this 8.1, 6 number question.
Sixth question.
Yes.
Okay, what is the condition provided that a person has not defaulted in loan given that person is a teacher? So given that person is teacher. See, what first emphasize on what is a given? Person is a teacher. Okay.
Yes.
In which you have to find the probability that he has
Not
not
defaulted.
defaulted for loan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will we see? First, what is given? Your teacher thinks is given. That means 1200 is given.
Okay, I was checking 900.
Yeah. No. See, teacher is given. So for defaulted for no loan, this will be
1500.
900 divided by 1200.
900 by
1200.
12 or 15, sir?
1200.
Okay. Here only emphasizing on teacher, no?
Yes. Because see, what is given? Given that person is a teacher. Okay.
Yes.
So things is given. Person is a teacher. This teacher column is given. Okay. Out of this column, you have to find the probability either is defaulted for loan or not.
Or not.
Suppose he is defaulted for loan, so probability will be 300 divided by
Divided
1200.
by 1200.
But it's for not, so 900 divided by 1200.
Got it.
Got it? Yeah.
Sir,
So
activity 8.6,
yes. One second.
question number 3, 4. It's a how to approach, sir, question number 3 and 4.
See, 3 and 4, it's the easy one actually. See, what is your A is attending a math class and B is attending a statistics class. Suppose PA is equal to this one, probability of this. See, what is your condition for independence? Can you tell me?
Probability of A into probability of B.
Okay. Means if your this probability is equal to this one, then
Okay.
A and B should be independent. So your A is 0.8, okay, and B complement is given, okay.
So B complement, if it is there, the 1 minus B, for B, 1 minus that number. So
1
into
minus
0.6.
0.4.
0.6.
Oh, sorry. No,
0.6.
0.4.
Yeah, the value will come 0.6. Sir.
Yeah. Then it will be 0.48, but it's not equal to 0.4.
Sir.
That
Okay,
means
sir.
these are not independent. Okay. And see, it's given that A, B, and C are the three events such that A intersection B intersection C equal to probability of A into probability of B into probability of C. Then the events A, B, and C are independent. So,
Yes, sir.
you tell me, it should
Sir,
be
in-
false. It should be
Sir,
true.
sir,
Yes, sir.
It's true, na?
True.
true it should be, but
True.
they are telling
It
it is
shows as
false.
false. So that is the, I
No.
have the same doubt.
Yeah,
Sir, we
yeah,
should satisfy
let
3
me-
more conditions. Sorry.
One second, one second,
Yeah,
let me
yeah,
see.
it should give the condition
Yeah.
to individual both.
Because see,
Okay,
you are
okay.
saying
3.
A intersection, B intersection. You are talking about these three, okay?
First condition only fulfilled, but they are not mentioning about
Yes.
the other 3.
Other three,
Remaining
because see,
three are not covered.
sorry?
Yes, remaining three conditions are not covered.
Yes, yes.
So
See,
we have to
for
check all the 3 event
Yes, yes,
conditions,
yes, yes,
4
yes.
conditions.
Yes.
First
For
only
the-
they have mentioned. So just to discuss, this is the just to divert, I think.
No, 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 no. It's it's for you are thinking on that way or not. See, for the being 3 events independent, 2 must be independent in itself. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir, understood.
Got it? So remaining 2 for every pair, B intersection C and probability of A intersection C. If all conditions are there, then it will be independent.
Then
Means
only it
all,
will.
otherwise it will not be.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then-
Sir, I considering first one only. I
No, no,
thought
no.
it should be true. Then
No, it's for it will be false.
सर इक्वल हो
sir,
जाएंगे
a
तो
question.
that will
One
be
more
independent,
question is
right?
there, sir.
Yeah, which one?
Sir,
Sir,
activity.
independent.
Hello.
Yeah, one.
Hello.
सर इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाएंगे, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Because-
activity 8.5.
One second. Independence is something happening of the another event or does not affect the another event. Means suppose you have 2 events, A and B. Okay. So independence means your probability of A equal to probability of A given B. Means happening or non-happening of B doesn't not affect the A.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And you know the formula of conditional probability. Probability of A given B is nothing but probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And it's nothing but probability of A if it's independent. So your probability of A intersection B will be probability of A
okay.
into probability of B.
B.
That's why it's okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, 8.5. Which question?
Sir, question number 3. Just how to approach it, sir.
Okay. One second. Let me open. The probability of flight being delayed 0.4. The find the probability of no delay on a round trip. Okay, so tell me, how are you thinking?
Sir, for flight being.
You are not audible. Hello.
Sir, 1 second. Flight being delayed. Can you show the question? Just got confused.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. 0.4. Find the probability of no delay on a round trip. So being delayed is 0.4.
Okay.
And not delaying is 0.6, sir.
Yes.
1 minus.
Yeah, that's right. 1 minus probability of being delayed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
0.6.
that's right. Yes.
That's all, sir.
No. In the question, it's mentioned that round trip.
Means both side.
Yeah, means
So
probability
it,
of
into
going,
0.6 into 0.6.
Yeah, and probability of coming. Okay.
So
That
for
means
both
0.6.
side, it will be 0.6.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah. So, Sachi Rani, I think.
Yes, sir.
Akash, do you have any doubt? I think he is not there. Thayamal.
Yes, sir. Activity question 8.4. Question
Okay.
number 5.
Okay, so X and B two independent images such that your Px is given and Py is given. Okay.
Yes.
You have to find the probability that neither X nor Y.
And Y.
What is meaning of this?
X or Y.
Complement of A intersection B.
Sorry?
Complement of A intersection B.
No. See.
A union B.
Complement.
Meaning of this. See. You know, either, suppose I'm saying either X or Y, what is this?
Any of them, like either X can take or Y can take.
A union Y.
It means X union Y, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So neither X nor Y means
X union Y whole complement. Na?
X union Y,
Whole complement.
and by De Morgan's law, X union Y whole complement is nothing but X complement intersection Y complement.
Yes, sir.
Do you know these things, or should I draw with the Venn diagram?
Sir, Venn diagram draw कर लीजिए please.
Okay, see. Suppose this is your X, this is your Y, right? So what will be X union Y complement? This whole region.
Yeah.
Right? Except the X union Y. Okay. And suppose this is X, this is Y. What will be your X complement? This whole things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This blue region. And what will be your Y complement? This green region. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the common between X complement and Y complement? This red
The black
region.
Yes. The black region which in the first one.
So this is same as this one.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Means X union Y complement is equal to X complement intersection Y complement.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's given that in your question, and both are independent. That means, what is this? Yeah. So till this point it's clear, right? Neither X nor Y means probability of X complement intersection probability of Y complement. Both are independent means X complement into probability of Y complement, right? So your X is given 0.4. That means it will be 1 minus 0.4. And it will be 1 minus 0.6. It will be 0.6 into 0.4. That is 0.4. Is this correct answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have taken different approach. Can I just tell you?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, the addition rule is there, na, sir, for union. So Px probability of X and probability of Y minus probability of X intersection Y. That rule I applied and got the point answer as 0.76. And probability of X union Y complement is equal to.
One second. Tell me from initial step. I mean,
okay, sir.
You start from here or here?
No, sir. None of this I started. I started with probability of X union Y.
Okay.
Is equal to probability of X plus probability of Y minus probability of X intersection Y.
Okay.
And then X is 0.4. Y is 0.6.
Okay.
Minus 0.4 into 0.6 as a independent rule that is there now.
Okay.
Multiplication. Okay. And so it will come 0.76. 1 minus 0.24. 0.76. And then I took the complement of this union X. Yeah. That is 1 minus 76 is equal to 24.
Yeah, it's okay. No.
Didn't know the De Morgan law, so I applied like this.
Yeah. This is a good one. If you suppose you don't know De Morgan's law, or you are facing problem like, yeah, what is this these things? Okay, so you know you have to find probability of X union Y whole complement. You know, okay? Then that means complement will be 1 minus probability of this one. Okay?
Yes.
So simply apply the addition rule here. Px plus Py minus Px intersection Y, and there is no bother about this one because it's given in the question, it is independent, so it will be Px into Py. Okay.
Yes,
If you know the formula, then it will be probability X complement intersection Y complement, probability of X complement into probability of Y complement. See, this is the same things. This is a same equal to this one.
Okay, sir.
Can I derive, or you know?
No, sir, I've seen that the Venn diagram you have drawn, so I understood.
Yes. And by equation, you can get this equation as this.
Ah, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it will be 1 minus Px. Let me write it. It will clear more. And you can write it as Px into Py, right? Minus sign will go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can write it as Px complement. 1 minus Px.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you know Px intersection Y, you can write it as Px into Py.
Yes, sir. So taking out the P.
Yeah, Py, if you take the common, then again it will be 1 minus Px. Okay. So
that is the complement of Px.
Yeah, it will be X complement minus
again 1 minus Py.
Yeah, Px complement, or your X complement will be common, then again it will be 1 minus P of Y. So it will be Px complement in Py complement, which is nothing but this one.
Sir, here actually you are writing X intersection Y is equal to P of X into P of Y.
Yeah.
Because it is independent, that is the reason we are writing, or it is applicable?
No. It's in the
always.
question, it's independence. That's why I have written
P of intersection X and X of that is equal to P of X into P of Y because it is independent event. Right?
Yes.
So, but in case of dependent event, it will not be the same. Like
no, you can't write. Yeah.
Okay. So 1 minus px किया वहां पे हम 1 minus py क्यों नहीं? मतलब in starting, how can we take the first two terms? मतलब
this one.
हाँ.
Okay, so I'm going with the P of Y. No worry about that. You have to find this one, and till this point it's clear to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Till this point it's clear, and I'm saying these things is exactly equal to these things. These things and these things means these things into this thing when your X and Y are independent. Okay. So okay, let me start with Y. Suppose I'm writing it again Y, then Px plus probability X intersection Y.
Yes, sir.
I got it.
Yes,
so
sir.
what will be this one? Probability of Y complement.
Yes, sir.
Minus probability of X plus since these two are independent, that means Px into P of Y.
Correct, sir.
Correct. So
yes, sir.
Again it will be probability of Y complement. See, in these two terms, probability of X can be taken as common.
Yes, sir.
So what will be here? 1
Okay, sir.
minus
Now I got
probability
it.
of...
कि हम both ways से start कर सकते.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this will be your this one, probability of Y complement into 1 minus probability of X. So probability of Y complement minus probability of X. Oh, sorry, into probability of X.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I got
Okay.
it.
So Akash or Sachirani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a confusion in the concept on the video. Lecture number 8.5 only. When ma'am is explaining the example, rolling the dice.
8.5, right?
Yes, sir. I don't remember the timing, but when she is giving the example, I think she started with the example only, this video. And when she is telling about the E1 and E2 are not independent.
One second. E1 and E2 are not independent. Okay. This thing, right?
Yes, sir.
See.
So in this, she has told that even the first outcome is 3.
Yes.
Okay. And E2 is dependent on the first throw.
Okay.
Because, but sir, first throw, like confusion is that because E2 is sum of outcome of 8. And only one option is there. To get the 8 is 6 plus. I got confused, sir. Again, I will watch video, then I'll ask, sir, in the discourse.
Yes. See. For first thing, for independence type of things, you can directly apply the formula of E1 intersection E2. Okay.
My question is E1 and E2 are not independent, but ma'am is telling they are independent. So I got confused, sir.
No. E1 and E2 are not independent.
Are independent, sir. Are independent. Ma'am has told. But
no, ma'am. I think you have. I think.
Sir, it won't depend on the.
One second. I think you are getting confused. See, first throw is 1, right?
Yes,
for
sir.
Getting 7 or 8, you have only one option, that is 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that is there, sir. For the second line is there, na? That is to add to get up 7, cut 7. That is third E3. And the first 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 she has written there, na? That is to sum of the outcome of 8. So for first throw, it will not come. If
8.
First throw is 1, we cannot get the sum of 8.
Yes.
So
you will get only 7.
Only 7.
Yes.
Yeah. So event 3 will be there, not the 2. So, but I am not able to understand how E2 is independent from E1.
E2 is I think it's a dependent.
No, it is not independent. E1 and E2. We only
no, but ma'am has
E1 and
told
E3.
she has told no dependent. Means
No independent.
No independent. Yeah, not independent.
See, it's why is it written also?
So
you can
that is
rewatch
why
actually.
I'm not able to understand. I feel it is independent. Why
No,
it is not?
No. It is not because what?
See. You can first thing. You can see. You can calculate by formula actually. See,
yes, sir. By formula I understood, but logically I'm not able to get it, sir.
No, don't see. Don't go with the intuitively first thing, and see, and it's a dependent. See, you have to calculate actually. As far I know. Okay, and you are okay. Let me. I think I have to watch this thing where ma'am has said. You are talking about ma'am has told
sir.
like.
So here only she is explaining how it will become not independent. It will be dependent.
Yeah, see, you can rewatch and try to listen carefully what is ma'am trying to say.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, I have listened, but I want to you, miss, you try to understand on yourself these things. What is ma'am tried to say? She is saying actually intuition about things, not directly saying even in E2 are independent. Okay.
Telling since E2 is 5 by 36 and E1 is 6 by 36.
So that's
So
that's
and
the probability of
multiplying it, yeah.
By
E1 in
probability.
E2
By
and and the intersection of E1 and E2 is 1 by 36. So it is not equal.
Yes,
So it
because
is not independent.
yeah, by formula you will get easily.
By formula I'm able to understand, sir.
Yeah.
But logically, pata nahi, I'm not getting it exactly.
No. That's why I'm saying you can rewatch. I listen the things, but
If I rewatch, maybe some confusion is there.
Yes. Actually, there is some intuition for saying that getting 7 is independent from this one. But try to rewatch these things. Okay, after that your doubt will be clarified.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So Akash has raised hand. Sachi, your doubts have been clear, right?
Yes, sir. Can I remove?
Yeah, you can. Or anyone else has any doubt?
Sir, 8.5, question number 1.
Question number 1, right? Suppose that we roll a pair of fair dice. Okay, so each of the 36 possible outcomes is equally likely. So do you understand what is meaning of equally likely?
Yes, sir. Each one have 1 by 36.
Yes. That's the meaning of equally likely, and and these things will come only when your die is fair. Okay, your die is unbiased.
Yes.
Okay. So again, let A denote the event that the first die lands on 5, and B is the sum of the. So just tell me what is the event. Event A is first die
lands on 5.
Okay, and what is B?
The sum of outcomes of rolling the pair of die is 10.
Sum of outcome is 10. Okay, and C is sum of the outcomes 7.
Sum of
okay, right? So what is the question? You have to find that okay, A and B are independent, A and B are dependent, A and C and AC. Okay, we have to think. We have to find probability of A and B. Okay, and A and C
B
and
is
A
equal
C.
to
Okay.
yes.
So we have to basically equate this one,
whether
this one, and probability of A intersection equal to this. Okay. So what is A? A is nothing but first die lands on 5. That means it will be 6 by 36.
6 possibilities.
Okay.
Yes.
That means 6 by 36. And what is B? Outcome is 10. Means
3
it can
by
be
36.
4, 6, 6,
5,
4, and 5. Yeah. 3 by 36.
3 by 36.
What it will be? Suppose
18 by 36.
Okay.
1 by 2.
Okay. And what is A and B? A and B means your first die lands on 5 and sum should be 10. Right? So what is this? This is only 5,
only 1 possibility.
Only one possibility. That means it's the 1 by 36. So these things are not equal to this one.
Yes.
That means A and B are not
independent. That is dependent. Common incident is happened.
And here A and C. Okay. C sum should be 7. A is again 6 by 36. So sum should be 7. It will be 1 6 6 1 2 5 5 2 3 4 4 3. That's the total possibility, right? 2 2 4 2 6. Again it will be 6 by 36. That means 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 36. Okay. So A intersection means first die lands on 5. That's it. This and sum should be okay. So it will be 1 by 36. So these two are equal. That means these are the
Independent.
So these are the correct answer. I think this and this should be correct answer, right?
Okay, sir. So if the common term is exist means I thought that is also in dependent term like that.
Sorry.
For the A and C, for A and C event, there is the common term 5,2, isn't it?
Yes.
So I thought A and C are dependent like that.
No. See,
only by
that's you are taking on, like, see, suppose A is this, B is this, common things is this one. Okay. What is common between these two? Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So I think there's no reason. One reason, I think Akash is not there. Yeah. Anyone else? Any doubt regarding concept or practice or activity?
Sir, a practice assignment.
Which question?
Sorry, last lecture is an activity question.
Okay. 8.7, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which question?
Badminton question, sir.
Badminton. Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
So can you means I want to know how did you try it?
Sir, serving properly, I assume to be P of A.
Okay.
So we have to find P of A right now. And I assume that E1 to be 0.6 and E2 to be 0.7.
Okay.
And then I don't know how to proceed.
See. What is the question? The probability that these two serves properly is 0.6. See, start the beginning and try to see. And try to make events. Okay. So what events? These two serves properly. Okay. An event can be this one. Okay. So your event can be like D. Suppose these two serves properly. Okay. And again, probability is given that Rohan serve properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Rohan serves properly. And if there are two players, assume that serving in the practice session is equally likely. Okay. Then find the probability that it is served properly. Okay. And you can make an event like E. This means served properly. Okay. See, this to serve properly, Rohan served properly, and what is E? You have to find this one, probability that it is served properly. Okay. So probability of D given E is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I think 1 second. This is served properly. Yeah. E given D means this two is given and served properly by this two is 0.6.
Yes, sir.
Right? And Rohan served and served properly. Its probability is 7.7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the probability of served properly? Means probability of E will be, means this is selected and sorry, you can take it as a probability of served properly and this two, or served properly and Rohan.
Yes, sir.
Till this point it's clear?
Yes, sir.
what can you write it this one? You can write this probability of D means Disu and sort properly given by Disu plus probability of Rohan into probability of sort properly by Rohan. Okay?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it? So tell me what will be the probability of D?
Sir, is it 1/2?
Yeah, right. Because there are only 2% and selection of both is randomly. When you something select randomly and with equally likely, that means probability will be equal. That means there are 2%, so selection of both will be half. So it will be half into this probability, half into this probability. I think your answer will be half into something 0.42. So it will be no,
Half
0.4.
into
No, 0.13. 1.3. Half into 0.6 plus half into 0.7. So your half 0.6 plus 0.7. So half into 1.3, right? So it will be 0.6, right? Is
Yes,
this
sir, got
answer?
it.
This is the answer, right?
I didn't solve, sir. I don't know to approach.
Okay. No. Just do practice. Okay. And there is also, it's mentioned conditional probability Bayes rule. So you can relate this. Yeah, this question can be related to this one. Okay, so I think anyone else has any doubt?
Sir, from Venn diagram, is it possible to find out whether A and B are independent like that? Only by using that probability comparison.
Actually, it's as I know, there is no direct. There is no direct type of things for independence, but you can interpret like okay, means suppose your A is this, your B is this, and your A is this, and B is this. So A is this, B is this, A is this, B is this. So see, if happening of A, okay, that means probability of A is equal to happening of probability A given B. Means B has occurred. Okay, means your B has occurred. So when your B has occurred, then how much A has been occurred? Means this blue region. Okay, if this black region is equal to this blue region, then you will say it's an independent. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's clear.
सर थोड़ा सा just repeat कर देंगे conditional probability वाला.
This one.
Yeah.
See. This is A, this is B, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So suppose your B has occurred.
Sir, एक example के माध्यम से बताएं सर.
Okay, by example.
Activity question.
Which one?
Need to verify that, sir. 8.6, I think so.
One second. Let A is this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And
Yes,
suppose your sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay.
Yes.
So you suppose you have to find probability of A given B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So A is this one, B is this one. Okay.
Yes.
So B has occurred. Means see what is common between these two? 4, 5, 4 and 5.
Yes,
and 1, 2, 3 is there, and 6, 7, 8, 9 is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So B has occurred means this green things has been occurred. Okay. See, given B has occurred, then what is the probability of A? Means how much A is in this B. You can say is in this
okay,
new
okay.
sample. How much A is there? 4,5.
Okay,
4,5.
yes.
That means 2 by 3, 3, 6. 2 by 6. Direct.
2 by...
In B, your B is total 6.
Okay, okay, okay.
Then
Okay,
how
got
much
it.
A is there in B? 2 by 6. Okay. And you can go by formula A. If you go with the formula, then what will be A and B?
4, 5. That
2
is
by 9. 2 by 9.
2 by 6, no, sir.
No,
B by 6.
I'm talking about whole sample space.
Acha, acha, acha. Okay.
It will be 2 by 9.
Yes.
And what will be probability of B?
B will
6
be
by 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again 9 will be cancelled out. It will be 2 by 6.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these two things are same.
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. So I think Susil has raised hands.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I have a query about EMQ. Could you take one question from EMQ and explain us how to choose that options?
EMQ, which activity?
In week 8.
Okay,
Bonus track. Yes, right. You take that manufacturing exam question.
Sorry?
Manufacturing question. That having a...
Okay, one second. Manufacturing.
In a manufacturing.
Yes. Yeah. This one, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, what is? I mean, you
actually,
are facing.
Choosing that
Steps.
options. Yeah.
Okay. Steps. See, you know, this will be solved by, I think, one second. M1, M2, M3. Yeah, this will be solved by the Bayes theorem.
Okay.
You know?
So, sir, appropriate option, choosing appropriate options from these.
No. See, you have to select the options, finding the probability. So you have to select all the possible options.
Right.
Okay. See.
Right.
Suppose your Bayes theorem is applied. Okay. So what is your question? Your question is, in finding the probability that the product was made by M1, given that the product is chosen randomly and found to be defective. That means you have to find the probability M1 given D. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So how can you find it?
So actually, there's a 4 question, right?
Sorry, 4.
4 questions are there for EMQ, and it will have different options.
Can you repeat? Actually, I did
right.
not get
The
your
product is manufactured by M1. There could be possible of options. Events are independent. Events are disjoint. So could we choose?
Yes. You have to choose everything. Okay. How? See, what is this? Here, conditional probability is applied.
Okay,
you
so
have write this one. That means multiplication rule is also applied.
Okay.
And probability of D, how you can write it as probability of D? You can write it as probability of D given M1 into probability of M1 plus probability of D given M2 into probability of M2 plus probability of D given M3 into probability of M3. Okay. What is this? For this, you have to choose appropriate option again. Okay. So you have to select what things means what all possible way, what all possible steps could be happen. Got it?
I think so. It's better to go with one solution. It will be best for understanding. It will very best for understanding. There's no solutions are given for such question.
Do you
we will select that M1. The product is manufactured by M1.
Okay. See.
So what options?
Try to understand. Select the steps applicable. Means you have to find the only steps, not calculate the numerical value, you have to find only the steps which will be applied for the in finding the probability. This means product was made by M1, given that product is chosen and found to be defective. Means you have to select the steps which you will apply in finding this one.
Okay.
Okay. See.
Okay, sir. I will do that thing. Actually, I will select that.
Yeah. See, you can simply interpret this by this one. You can interpret, yeah, Bayes will be applied. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And what is this? This, if you think about this, conditional probability is applied.
Okay.
And if you write this one only, D given M1 into probability of M1, what is this? This is a multiplication rule also.
Right, sir.
Multiplication rule is applied. Okay. And what is this whole thing? Law of
total probability.
Yes.
So law of total probability is also applied. So similarly, you have to think and choose all the required steps. I've got it.
Okay.
सर इसमें थोड़ा मुझे डाउट आ गया, तो बेस वाला थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे प्लीज.
See, you know, this can be calculated by this formula. See, probability of M1 given D can be write as probability of M1 intersection D divided by probability of D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What the things are available? This into probability of D given M1. Okay. See, and you can apply the intersection steps also. Okay. So your probability of D into probability of D given M1. How can you write probability of D? You can probability of D into probability of D given M1 plus probability of D into probability of D given machine M2. No, it will be M1. Not correcting me. It will be M1. Okay. Plus probability of machine 3 into probability of defective by the machine 3. So this is the base rule, nothing but, and intersection is applied, condition is applied, multiplication rule is applied, law of total probability is applied. So in similar way, you have to think and select the steps.
Okay.
Got it?
So thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's clear, right?
Right, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else has any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in practice assignment 8. Question number 5.
1 second.
A toy manufacturing company has categorized all the toys. There are different questions when I refresh.
Yeah.
each
You
time.
will get different question.
Yes, sir.
Let me refresh so that I can get. This is a long question or short question? This
A long question, I think.
okay. 1 second.
Sir, I know that this will be solved by using Bayes theorem, but I am not able to apply that theorem to this question, sir.
Actually, see, what I said, just try to make events, and you can start from ending point of the question and beginning point of the question as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Let me refresh. Just try to see what is given, what is not. Can you put it on chat also?
Sir, yes, sir.
Now got it.
Yes, sir.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
See,
a toy manufacturing
company has categorized all the toys they make into 4 categories depending on the battery life of toy. Okay. assuming all the toys they manufacture run on battery. Okay, it is assumed that the toys belonging to category 1 will last for more than 50 hours. Okay, so you can make a event from where, because its probability is given. That means it should be
Sir,
like an event.
it is
Okay.
assumed that toy belonging to category 1 will last for more than 50 hours with probability. It is
0.4.
given that it is belong to category 1 and it lasts for more than 50 hours, and that
Okay.
probability is 0.4.
Okay, so let's start with event. Suppose I'm taking as event E. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So what will be this? This will be event means toy. Your toy did not last for more than 50. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So see, and there is 4 category, right?
Yes, sir.
Category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you can make like an event C1 means twice from category 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C2 twice from category. C3 twice from category 3, and C4 your twice from category 4. Okay. Till this
Okay,
point
sir.
it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And in the question, it is given that, see, if the toy did not last for more than 50 hours, means this E has been given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we have to find
C4.
the probability that C picked the from category 4. So you have to calculate the probability of C4 given E. That means probability of C4 and E. If you go by this one, and probability of E, so you can write it as probability of C4 and probability of E given C4. And for E, you can write it as no.
All 4.
All 4.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Means,
sir. I was doing mistake here, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. I got
now
it.
I think you will do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
just try to understand, and you can try, initiate from this at the last point. You can make the events. Suppose you can make event any E which is given.
Yes.
You have to find the probability this one. Again, you can go back.
Yes. In the denominator case, sir, I was taking only one. I was taking only for C4. That's why I was getting wrong.
No.
Yes, sir.
You
I will
to
have to
consider
take
this one.
C1 to C4.
Yes.
All.
Yeah,
Yes.
it will be like the summation I equal to 1 to 4.
Yes, sir.
Probability
Yes,
of Ci into probability of E given Ci.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I got it.
It's clear?
Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone else has any doubt? Anything else regarding concept or practice activity or hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, okay. So do you have any doubt, or we can close any concept? So you can ask, otherwise we can close the session if you don't.
Sir, I don't have any doubt regarding the concept, but if you permit, I would like to ask, since you have been into BSc and MSc statistics, which
Okay.
tool do you use normally for statistical analysis?
For what?
For statistical analysis, you must be using some tool, because every statistician has got their own favorite tool. So which tool do you normally prefer for analysis?
Actually, we have did analysis on R. Do you know R?
Yes,
Python?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you must know. So
Yeah.
we have to mostly we have did on R, but
Okay.
and sometimes on Python. And have you heard about SPSS?
Yeah, SPSS I also have heard.
Yes. Sometimes in our grad and post grad we have did on SPSS also.
Okay. Nice to know that, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Someone said Tableau. Actually, Tableau I have not
So
used till yet.
normally people start with SPSS, but nowadays R is becoming more
Yeah,
in the analysis because it is mostly free. SPS is also you have to shell out a lot of money.
yes, 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 yes.
Python also means since we are learning computational thinking, I believe we can learn Python in the next term. But as but somewhere I am also thinking, like as you mentioned, R. So it is most favorite used in terms of analysis and
Yes, yes.
statistics
Actually,
nowadays.
in the in our graduation, post graduation, R will most is, but Python is also very good.
Okay.
Yes, also is very nice things. It's a very good thing, and now in present time, it is used widely. Actually, yeah.
So, one general thing can I ask?
Yeah.
For quiz 2, which weeks we have to little bit pay more attention, sir? Because now all the subjects are peaking.
See, first you can more emphasize on week 5 to week 8.
No, that is clear, sir. In
Okay.
week 5 to week 8, which
okay.
See, week 5 and 6 is manageable when you
there will be more questions from this one 7 and 8 6 7 8 actually.
6 7 8.
So mostly 70% of the questions will be from 6 7 8 as normally it goes according to what we have seen.
Yeah, actually you can't say directly from up to 70%. See, if suppose more questions on from week 7 and 8 for example, but in week 8 probability is there.
Yes,
but it can possible for getting probability you have to use concept of 5 and 6 means permutation and combination. It can possible.
So after week 8, how the subject will be, sir? It will become more tougher, or you can manage?
No, it's easy. It's easy. It's not that much confusion in have you faced trouble in week 5 and 6 actually. It's 9 10 is very easy, and 11 12 is also 11 if you understood the 11 week 11, then week 12 will be easy for you.
So in all we have got 12 weeks content, is it, or 14
yes.
weeks?
No, 12 weeks. 12
Okay, and so like for example, after our quiz 1, like we had some kind of a difficulty in getting back to week 5 because we were thinking in a dilemma whether we will really cope up and get to the result and come up here. So will quiz 2 be the same criteria? Can you please educate us on that aspect ki week 5 ke baad quiz number 2 ke baad kya hoga? Means are we going to continue or shall we wait for quiz 2 results and then go to 9 10 11?
No, you have to continue.
Okay.
You can continue.
And the deadlines will remain the same, like what we did
1
in
week.
week 5. Yeah, we missed on the deadline because we were quite busy in reading for quiz 1 qualifier. That's why.
No, for deadline you will get notification also, and there is you got the notification regarding Telegram group, right?
Sir, the Telegram
Yes,
group.
sir. Yes, sir.
You
So
have
when the Telegram group are we going to start the sessions? Like you have already
next
made
week.
Telegram group?
Next week.
Okay.
Next.
And that would be majorly focusing on quiz 2 content.
No. Yeah. Till
kind
now,
of a thing?
till now it will be quiz 2, and you can ask any doubt. Actually, this is for you actually.
Sir, that Telegram group will be on Saturday, Sunday, or on weekdays, sir? That one, how?
See, it's not compulsory. When we will free, and we will post there, and you can come here and ask your doubt. Okay.
Oh, that will be interactive, or?
Yeah, that will be interactive session. You can ask any doubt, any concept, anything. And when suppose I'm free on Friday 7 p.m., then I post the message, or Isan is free, then Isan can post the message, and who any one of you who is free can join and ask you.
Sir, in summary, if we somehow manage up to week 8, we can manage because we have to spend time for other subjects also.
Yeah. We can, if we are thinking for this one, so that we can give us overview for from week 1 to week 8. So most probably
सर ये रिवीजन वाला जो क्लास है ना सर, ये जो रिवीजन वाला क्लास है, could you please begin little early, because तभी क्या होगा ना कि जो डाउट से it will be cleared immediately rather than waiting for the last moment.
And sir, if you when you take the revision, please take the revision in parts so that वो particular week का we will study and we will ask revision for that. For example, if you can club up 5 and 6 week, so we will bring exclusively the doubt for week 5 and 6. तो हमको भी वो topic clear करने के लिए उतना समय मिलेगा. We will get that much time.
And
then you can take 7 and 8. If you club everything together like week 1 to 8 every doubt, then I think we won't be able to focus on anything.
Maybe
Okay.
part by part.
Okay, so we can split in parts.
Yes, yes.
सर मतलब जैसे अभी 7-8 के बाद ना तुरंत अगर थोड़ा स्टार्ट हो जाए ना तो अच्छा रहेगा, सबका भी क्लियर
Yeah, we will actually see man, we are trying the best for you guys, but so no, sometimes it will not possible.
No, we fully understand, sir.
Yeah, actually we have some another work also, but we are tried for a Telegram for you also. Okay, whenever we are free, we will take this session. You can join the session, and see, these sessions will be fixed. Solve with us and open session will be there, and except these 2 sessions, how many more sessions will be possible? We will try for this one. Okay. So
Sir, will